What's up, Soul Squad? I know you saw that thumbnail. I am making pasta salad for dinner. It is Wednesday night. My kids is having pasta salad, something nice and fresh and cool. And I made them, look, I'm in the kitchen. You guys ain't getting the video for this, but I'm making fried chicken for the kids. Andrew's gonna do the mukbang. We having fried chicken. Well, they're having fried chicken and pasta salad. Now, I had some nice Italian dressing here. You can use any kind you like. I got wishbone because it was on sale. Got some mozzarella cheese here. I had some fresh veggies here. I had some cucumbers, some red onions, some red peppers, green peppers. I had some nice cherry tomatoes, organic. They were on sale. I have, yes, me some sliced olives right here. Just all about color. I love this. Get this, guys. It will amp up the flavor, okay? I already pulled in my noodles. This whole box here. Right here in the water. So as soon as these stop by 10 to 12 minutes, al dente, whatever how you guys say it. When these get done, we're going to come right back and we're going to plate it all together. Okay, Soul Squad, we are back. I rinsed my noodles off in some cold water and let them sit for a little while just to bring the temperature down off of them. They're nice and cooked. Just like my potato salad, I like to place my seasoning on my plain noodles first. So we're going to do some pepper. And guys, remember, with this seasoning, it's up to you. How much pepper? Remember, just taste your food. Once you taste your food, you pretty much will know how much more seasoning you want in your food, you know. I like pepper. My kids like pepper. I'm not too far with salt. Now, remember I said this? My sister, my little sister, hit me onto this. She put that in her pasta salad. Again, it's all about seasoning. I'm just going to put a little bit for now, and I'm just going to stir it up.
You cook the noodles perfect. They all nice and
yes,
bouncy.
they are. Ooh, that smells so good. This smells good.
I can't smell my nose stuffy.
My green peppers, my red onions, my cucumbers. I only put like a half. I didn't even do a half an onion. I wanted the red onion because of the color. You know, just color.
I smell that. The veggies smell
yeah,
nice.
Oh, yeah, them veggies smell so good. Look at that chicken. Kids about to eat. I'm going in with my tomatoes. With my tomatoes, I'm going to dice just a couple. Ooh. Let me just dice a couple. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Again, Labor Day is coming up. It's a nice salad to eat outside with some grilled chicken, a hot dog, a nice hamburger, turkey burger. Well, I got this. I'm not going to do them all. I just like doing some of them. Well, just to make sure I have enough tomatoes. That's enough. And just a little bit of black olives for this. I don't say for dessert. Not that much too. Just look for design. Just to bring everything's about color with this. I am gonna sprinkle a little bit more of this on top. I'm gonna get them veggies nice and done.
Oh, now I smell that. That smells amazing.
Yes. Go in with your Italian dressing. I can't tell you how much. We're just gonna do a little bit right now. I'm gonna say that's almost a half a bottle.
That is a half a bottle.
Let me just gonna stir it up. It's the colors that get me. I hate this plastic spoon because I can't really stir the way I want to. Ooh, this smells good. If I had my metal spoon, I could really dig in. But this spoon is so plastic. So plastic. This smells delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Now, towards the end, some mozzarella cheese, you guys.
Everybody love that cheese.
You get a piece of this in your fork. Oh my goodness. You use fresh mozzarella. I'm gonna tell you what this use. This is the stick mozzarella. Because I went to the store. The funds was low, so I used to put fresh mozzarella. So if you have fresh mozzarella, well, either way, my kids don't care.
It's cheese. It goes to the soul.
This smells so good. I cannot really stir with this. I need a metal spoon. I cannot stir with this. We'll be right back.
We back?
We're back. Look, I'm still going to show you guys this. I switched it up. I tasted. I just need a little bit more dressing. Guys, it's up to you.
That's pepper, by the way.
And a little more pepper. Get that wrist action in. And we're finished. This will complete any barbecue. Your family will love it. And you can do this. You can add. Oh, that's why I forgot to add. Stay right there.
What seasoning you forgot to add, SoulfulT?
My seasoning, I put in everything.
That parsley?
That's my parsley. Yes, guys.
Parsley just makes stuff look like 10 times better and prettier.
And if you have fresh parsley, go for it. I'm not buying anything extra. I'm using what's in my home.
A lot of color to that.
Yes, make it look pretty. So this is it. Taste it. You can add anything. You can add pepperoni to this. You can add some shrimp. Those little shrimp salads. Those little shrimps is made for salads. Those little teeny weeny pink ones. You can add that to this. As much veggies as you want. Some fresh broccoli. Anything. This is how I make it. Yeah. Okay, Soul Squad. This is my pasta salad. Hope you guys like this video. Share and subscribe. Don't forget my cookbook is below in the link. Until next time we are out, like, share, and subscribe. Oh, the mukbang channel, yeah. Somebody gonna eat this with the fried chicken.
Yeah, and I think Andrew gonna eat it with the fried chicken. So
yes.
Go over there and like, subscribe, and share, guys. We out of here.
I'm gonna clean my mess up. Look at my Twinkies. I got filling. Look, I got filling dropping all over the place. Look into this plate. You guys.